У меня сердце рамыты, шама, я вас из шамани, бля. А? Вот твой глаз, ну, да. А? Твою мать, блядь, а?
The issue is that increasingly the internet has been centralized around just a few of these services, with many of the biggest all depending on just a few of these companies. And so even if there's just an accidental
Whoa!
Oh.
And I was so scared that you died. And I was scared that we would die too. But we made it. And then I was oh my god.
We're okay. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over it, but it's okay. We're okay. We're gonna go over it.
Holy shit!
Hello.
Hi, Poochie, good evening. This is Chanel. Poochie,
Yes.
let me call you back.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
We've seen that 97% of you watching aren't subscribed. If you enjoy watching us, just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to never miss any upload. And if you have crazy footage, submit your videos using the link in the description. with you? Okay, Garmin.
Turn right on Forest Road.
Damn it.
Yeah,
quote unquote.
right. God, it's a Oh my God.
Oh my God, what are you guys doing?
Then it starts playing the song. Is it that song?
No.
Mom? You might want to get out of here.
Where do I go? Taylor, help me.
I think he might need some help. I just can't see his darn
truck. How do you drive this thing?
You guys, I'm serious. What do I do?
Right here.
Can I just...
or an emergency room, a lot can be done with modern technology and FaceTime, for crying out loud. And, you know, all of these things save money ultimately, but, you know, people funneled into a government system where promises were made and none of them were... Whoa! Whoa! Of turning something that they designed to be temporary into something permanent.
What the fuck? Are you smoking? What the fuck?
To turn flesh into briquettes. Mac and Thomas were both down. There was no way I could get both of them out of the fire in time, which meant my only option was to stop it from happening. Sharkface let out an eerie, defiant shriek and suddenly vanished into the writhing mass of his coat again, becoming nothing but flailing cloth and dust and stench. The creature bounded and bounded into the air and streaked like a sackcloth comet out the front door, and there was diddly I could do to stop it.
They want to sell Mom and Dad's old camper, their pop-up camper, and the boat. You better stop.
O, jebany, ile miał tutaj, kurwa, ze 160?